Hey guys, it's Sydney from the Queens of Random, and today I'm going to be doing a natural makeup tutorial. So, let's get started. The first step in my makeup tutorial is I typically take my concealer. It is Naked Skin by Urban Decay in the color Fair Neutral. So I start out by placing this under my eyes. I'm not putting too much because it's natural look today. Then, I know it kind of looks crazy, but it's okay. And then I'm going to be doing some on my chin, just like little dots. And I'm going to be putting on some on my forehead as well. Okay, so here's what my concealer looks like. And then the next part of my makeup routine is I take a brush, this concealer brush from e.l.f. And I'm going to be blending out my makeup. Okay, now that my makeup is all blended out, I'm going to be using the Naked Urban Decay Flush Palette, and I'm going to be using this for bronzer. I'm going to take this brush from Eco Tools, yeah. It looks like this. It's a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to be putting some powder and applying it to my face. Because I am not looking super tan right now, I'm just going to pack a lot of this on, but still looking natural. Put it on my nose, a little bit below my jawline. Okay, so the next step that I do is I'm going to be taking this blush. It is the Too Faced blush in the color Peach My Cheeks. This is one of my favorite blushes. It's super nice and creamy. So I'm going to be using this brush again from Eco Tools, and I'm going to be putting that on the apples of my cheeks. Ooh, that was a little much, but it's okay. Ooh, that was a little much blush, but it's okay. I mean, sometimes you gotta do what you have to do. And then I'm gonna be baking. Actually, I'm not gonna bake in this tutorial because I just want it to be a simple, natural makeup. And then I'm going to be taking this same palette, the Urban Decay Flush palette that I used earlier, and it has a highlighter in it. I'm going to be using this highlighter, and I'm going to be putting that. I'm just going to use like a skinnier brush, like this one from Eco Tools, to be applying that to my cheek. And I'm going to blend this out with my finger. And I'm going to be applying it to the bridge of my nose and to the Cupid's bow on my lip. Yeah. So that's what that looks like. It looks kind of weird because of the light right there, but Yeah. And then I'm going to be taking the next palette for my eyes. I'm going to be taking the Make Magic Happen palette by Tarte. This is one of my favorite palettes. It's awesome. And I'm going to be taking a small brush, again for eyeshadow, to pack it in onto my lids. So I'm going to be using this light color to be kind of serve as the base. Of my lid, like so. And then I'm going to be taking a blending brush, like this one. And I'm going to be packing a darker color from the same palette into my crease and just keep blending it out. I'm going to be using this color and maybe a little bit of this color. But like I say, I just want to keep natural, so we'll see what happens. So, yeah. This is what it looks like so far. I'm gonna pack this that darker color now. It's not super dark, it just kind of looks dark with the lighting. And just keep blending it out in circular motions. So that's what my eyes look so far. And then I'm going to be taking my Fenty Beauty highlighter in the color Hustla Baby. And I'm going to be putting that on the inside of my eyes and a little bit on my lids. I like this one, the Mean Money. And I like to put it a little bit on my waterline. Just to bring up my eyes. And then I'm going to put it on my lid. I'm sorry, I don't know if it's just me, but whenever I put on makeup, I always have the weirdest faces. And then I'm just going to pop on some mascara. I'm going to be using I'm going to be using the Colossal Volume Express by Maybelline. It looks like this. And I think this is a really good mascara. I'm not going to be putting on my bottom because I feel like when I put on bottom mascara, it makes my face look kind of strange. Oh no! Why? Oh, I can't stand it when this happens. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah, so I have to take that off because that's bad. Okay, so I'm gonna put mascara on the other eye now. I feel like I have such a weird face when I put on makeup. I like dredged the other eye. It's bad. Okay. So that is what my eyes look like. I feel like I'm gonna fix my eyebrows. Okay, there we go. And then for my lips, I'm gonna be putting on this light color from Too Faced again, and it is called Peach Fuzz. And it smells really good. Ooh. You know, I'm just gonna do no lipstick because I'm not in the mood. But yeah, so that is my natural makeup tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Here is what the final look looks like. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time. Bye.